welcome back to my channel. This is Hitakshi. So today we're gonna unbox this Google Nest Mini. I'm so excited to check this out. This is my first ever smart speaker and this is the second generation chalk white in color. So let's get ahead into the unboxing. So I've got my knife in here and let's unbox this. So let's do this. It's hard, kind of. It doesn't go inside. And here we go, the third side and the final side. So everything is ready. Here we go. And where is the thing? Here it is. So let's unbox this. So here we go. Here it is. Wow, it looks so fresh. So freaking fresh. I'm just holding it because I am afraid that it will fall off. It looks so fresh. I'm just so happy. I'm so excited about this. It looks so cute and little teeny tiny speaker. It is so compatible. It can be hanged anywhere. We have a slot in here. Here's the power button. It's actually the mic. It will stop recording and it will start recording. We'll test this out in a minute, but it is the most amazing speaker I've ever seen. It's really nice and super compatible speaker. So let's check out the box. Here we go. Some paperwork. Let's check out how it is. Same speakers, you know, how to set this up. Oh, we have this cable. Here it is. Here's the cable and you have to plug in because it always requires power. And let's set this up. So let me open this. Okay, it's really tough to open. Here it is. Nice big long cord. And I'm afraid that this quality is very similar to the iPhone cords, which do break very easily. I feel that it's gonna tear in a few years. What? In a year or two if it's of rough handling. So let's plug this in. And here we go. It's plugged in and I'm gonna plug this in. So this is all plugged in and it has started. I'm excited about this. Get started. It mostly takes 15 seconds, but I hope you got the voice. I hope you got the voice. And
hi, namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. आरंभ करने के लिए Google Home app download करें.
It speaks in Hindi. So much fascinating. So before I set this up, I want to tell you one thing, that Google Home Mini, Google Nest Mini and Google Home are all compatible with iOS phones, and that's the best part about these. And I'm so happy because I'm not an Android phone user and I have this iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm excited to just join this thing with my phone. And let's get started. So before we get started, we have to download the Google Home app on your phone so that it gets connected with it and all the electronic devices which are there gets connected to it, and so that you can just operate them wirelessly. So let's do this. I'm gonna set this Google Home. How do you do this? Yeah, I guess it got the one. Next, okay, fine, allow while using the app. So I've set on the location and it's looking for devices. I hope it gets connected because I have a lot of issue with connectivity. Next, connecting to Nest Mini. It got connected. Yay! I'm so excited. Did you hear the sound? Yes, I did hear it. Yes. Help improve Nest Mini. Yes, I'm in. I'll do this. It's gonna be in my living room. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna connect it. So this Google Nest Mini is finally set up with my phone and I'm so excited. So there is an option in Google Home that you can, you change the voices of the home, like a male version or a female version. So I'm just playing those sounds so that I can let you know.
Google Assistant here to help you throughout your day.
And the voice too plays. Let me play.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant here to help you throughout your day.
So I'm preferably choosing the voice one. It sounds a little mature, little decent. So let's get ahead into it. So I've put in my street address. So that thing. Get started with voice calls. You are now. Stay in the know. And I'm interested. I'm gonna sign up for that. And all is done. Everything is finished. Learn about controls on your Mini. Play and pause. Tap the center of your Nest Mini. I tapped. Next. Change the volume. Okay, to change the volume, you have to just tap in the right side of the Nest Mini to increase the volume, and to decrease the volume, tap on the left side of the Mini. So it's gonna decrease the volume, but I'm gonna put it on the full volume. Next. Mic switch. So this Google has an option to turn the mic off, and there's an option over here. There's this button. You can just switch it off.
The mic's off.
It will stop listening to you. You will speak whatever. It will not listen anything. Okay, Google. See, it did not return back. So let me switch it on.
The microphone is back on.
That's okay. Very proud of it. I'm messing up with the volume buttons, but it sounds really great. I don't know what you can tell about from the speaker, what you can listen, but it sounds really great. It's really satisfactory. So let me assign something to this new Google Nest Mini. Let me ask something to it. Okay, Google, what time is it?
12:03.
I know it's midnight. Okay, Google, tell me what is the weather.
Right now in Mumbai it's 27 with haze. Wednesday it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 28 and a low of 19.
Let me ask something. Okay, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Show 10 minutes, and we're starting now.
No, I don't want a 10-minute timer. Okay, Google, stop the timer. Okay, Google, stop the timer.
Alright, it's cancelled.
Perfect. Okay, Google, play some copyright-free music. Because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Playing the album royalty-free music in copyright-free music full commercial license pack 6 on Spotify.
Thank you. That sounds great. Let me increase the volume. Okay, fine. Okay, Google, stop the music. Nice ukulele. I really liked it. Okay, Google, wake me up at 7 a.m.
It looks like there's already an alarm set for then.
Oh, really? I have set an alarm? Okay, Google, don't wake me up at 7 a.m.
Okay, I cancelled it.
Great, it worked. It can do definitely a lot of things, a ton of things. You can ask Google to, let me 1 minute, let me turn it off.
The mic's off.
This Google thing can do a ton of things. It can play music, it will tell you about the weather, it will tell you about the news, it can set timers, it can tell you how much time it will take to reach your workplace or your destination where you want to go, and it's all a smart speaker, and it's really, really, really cool. And if you can definitely, what the heck? Okay, 1 minute.
The microphone is back on.
Okay, Google, stop the music. That's perfect. I don't know how it started. I really have no idea. I stopped it previously, right? So what I was saying is, oh, I forgot. Wait, what I was saying? I was saying about the directions. Yeah, if you want to go somewhere, it's gonna tell you how much time it will take to your destination, and it's perfect. You can connect all of your smart devices from in the home to the speaker, like your TV or your microwave or refrigerator or your Philips Hue light, dim the lights, you can turn them back, you can play Netflix shows on your TV, which is really nice. If you're a very lazy person, this Google Home Nest Mini, yeah, it's Nest Mini, will do all your work, which is really, really, really needed. It's very amazing thing. If you already have a Google Home or a Google Mini, it's definitely not going to be a necessary upgrade. Those devices work perfectly fine, and this is not very unique from both of them. It works the same, but it's only the size. But Google Home Mini and the Google Nest Mini have the same sizes. I don't know what's that unique about this, but it is definitely better than Amazon Alexa. For sure, it is very better than Alexa, because Alexa records all of them what you talk, but it has an option to stop recording, and if I turn it off, it will not record what I speak, which is a very good thing. It will at least make you have your own privacy, which is very important. So for now, it has a very great sound, not that satisfactory, but it sounds really great. If you want to listen to music, definitely not that pleasing to hear if you're new. If you want to buy a new smart speaker, then this would be the one you could buy in the market, which is available, and it's a very nice speaker to start off. Let me see what more I can review on smart speakers. Let me see if I can unbox Alexa or the Google Home, I guess, which would be not necessary for me because I've already had this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you liked it, and comment down below. Let me know what you want me to unbox. I'll try my best what I can unbox it for you guys, and please share it with your friends and let me know how you feel about it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.